Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm Farmado guys, Farmado audience. In this video, I'll describe a garden design ideas or the easiest way to build a beautiful aquarium. So, my dear guys, garden design is art and a process of designing and creating plans for layout and planting of garden and landscapes. So, garden design may be done by the garden owner themselves or by the professionals of varying levels of experience and expertise. So, my dear guys, on my lovely audience, question me the concept of a design gardening. My dear guys, garden and landscape design, the development and decorative planting of gardens, yards, grounds, parks, and other types of areas. So, garden and landscape design is used to enhance the setting for building and public areas and in the recreational areas and parks. My dear guys, what is a concept of a garden or what is the garden design process? My dear guys, it is arise a question in our mind. The garden design process involves several steps, including initial consultation, site survey, concept development, design proposal, final design implementation, and aftercare. So the duration of the process varies based on the project size, complexity, seasonal consideration, and client feedback. So the main concept of a design, my dear guys, two factor when we talk about different design. Two factor of the concept of design. Firstly, a design is a plan to bring about a man-made product. Such a plan must achieve a prescribed global goal and satisfy a certain constraint. Secondly, it is a process of the creative development of such a plan. So, my dear guys, the step of a garden or garden experiment design. Common garden experiment or indoor or outdoor plantings of species and a population collected from multiple distinct geographic locations grown together under shared condition. These experiments examine a range of questions for theory and application using a variety of method of analysis. So the process design of a plot, my dear guys. Process design establishes the sequence of chemical and physical operations or operating conditions. Secondly, the duties major specification and materials of construction of all process equipment as distinguished from utilities and building auxiliaries. So the general arrangement of equipment. But guys, when we talk about the design of a garden, then 12 principles of the design uh, are mentioned. First of all, contrast, balance, emphasis, and proportion. It is also a beautiful design. So, a hierarchy you can take off repetition, rhythm, and patterns, white space, movement, variety, and unity. There were also some additional yes 12 principle of design. So, my dear guys, the main point of design, the fundamental principle of design or emphasis, balance and alignment, contrast, repetition, proportion, movement, and a wide space design differ from art in that it has to have a purpose. Visually, this functionality is interpreted by making sure an image has a center of attention, a point of focus. So, common garden layout, my dear guys, the most basic garden plan consists of a design with the straight, long rows running north to south orientation or north to south direction will ensure that the garden gets the best sun exposure and air circulation. A garden that runs east to west tends to get to shaded from the crop growing in the preceding row. So, four types of design in an experiment: for factorial and fractional factorial, screening experiment, and response surface analysis, and EOVP and mixture experiment. First step of a design in a process, the short form of the design thinking process can be articulated in five steps of emphasis, uh, empathizes, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Let's briefly explore each of these phases in relation to a practical design process. My dear guys, how to design a power plant. When we talk about the power plant design, most important design consideration for power plant construction: location and site selection, plant layout and configuration, material and equipment selection, there's energy efficiency and emission reduction, safety and security, project management and quality assurance you can make. So what are guys the basic element of a design: line, shape, form, also value, different colors, different texture, and a different space tech design basis basics from this color principle of design. What is the space principle of design? Space design refer to the use of space within a composition. The two main division of space design are positive and negative space. Positive space include the main objects and of interest in a design, while negative space refer to the empty space in a design. So the main object of design is to solve problem and communicate ideas effectively through visual or functional means in visual design and different other. So by the way, guys, I think that my video and my this idea inspired you much, and if inspired, then subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video with your affectionate love. So thanks a lot.